Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video we will learn IMO Olympiad 2019 paper for class 5. There are 4 sections. Today we will solve section 1 logical reasoning. Other section we will complete in next video. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 1. Select a figure from the options which will continue the same series as established by problem figure. Now here in the given figure, this first figure showing arrow like this. In second figure, it rotates 45 degree. In third figure, it rotates 90 degree. This 45 plus 45, 90. In next figure, it rotates 135 degree. 90 plus 45, 135. In last figure, it will rotate 135 plus 45, 180. So from this angle, it will rotate 180 degree. So arrow will be like this. So here B is correct answer. Question number 2. Find the missing character if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. So here 11 minus 6 is 5, and in alphabetical order position of E is 5. Here 12 minus 8 is 4 and position of D is 4. So here 4 minus 3 is 1 and position of A is 1. So here A will come. D is correct answer. Question number 3. 6 friends P, Q, R, S, T and U scored different marks in half-yearly examination. R scored more than P and U only. S scored less than only Q. T did not score the least. S scored more than R. Who scored the highest marks? So here given S scored less than only Q. Only Q means he is second and Q is first. And S score more than R. And R score more than P and U only. R score more than P and U only. And T did not score the least. So T will come here. And who scored highest marks? So amongst all, Q score highest marks. So here C is correct answer. Question number 4. Geetika's mother remembers that Geetika's exam is after 21st but before 26th March. Her sister remembers that her exam is after 22nd but before 25th of March. And her father remembers that her exam is on odd date. On which date in March is Geetika's exam? Her mother remembers her exam is after 21st and before 26th of March. And her sister remembers her exam is after 22nd and before 25. Means now remaining 23rd and 24. Means her exam be on 23rd or 24th. And her father remembers that her exam is on odd day. So here odd number is 23rd. So Geetika's exam is on 23rd March. B is correct answer. Question number 5. Select the correct water image of the given figure. Water image is the upside down image. So P will be like this, A is like this, then G is like this, E and then R like this. So here A is correct answer. Question number 6. In a certain code language, if world is coded as XOSLE, then how will break be coded in that language? So here next letter of W is X, then O is similar, then next letter of R is S, then L is similar and next word of D is E. So here for break, next letter of B is C, then R same, next letter of E is F, next letter of K is L. So here A is correct answer. Question number 7. Pratik is 13 ranks behind Diksha, who is ranked 11 in a class of 38 students. What is the Pratik's rank from the bottom? So here Diksha is on 11th rank, means there are 10 students before Diksha, and Pratik is 13 rank behind Diksha, means in between Diksha and Pratik there are 12 students, and Pratik is 13th one. There are total 38 students, means after Pratik there are 14 students, means from bottom Pratik is 15th one. This 14 and Pratik is 15th one. So here D is correct answer. Question number 8. Which of the following option is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its part? Here option A is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its part. So A is correct. Question number 9. Arrange the given words as they occur in a dictionary. So here correct sequence will be first 2 will come, then 5, then 1, then 3, and last 4. So here C is correct answer. Question number 10. Mukta is facing the hospital. If she turns 2 right angles in anti-clockwise direction, then what will she be facing now? Anti-clockwise direction means this direction. This angle is of 45 degree and right angle is 90 degree. If she is facing hospital, if she turns first 90 degree, then she will face bus stop, and second right angle she will face home. Here C is correct answer. Question number 11. How many minimum straight lines are required to draw the given figure? So here this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Minimum 16 lines are required to make the figure. So here A is correct. Question number 12. Which of the following words cannot be formed from the letters of the given word? So in the given word there is TREASURY. From this all letters restore cannot be formed because here O is present and in given word O is not there. So here B is correct answer. Question number 13. Which of the following Venn diagram best represents the relationship amongst mother, painter and dancer? So here mother can be painter and can be dancer. So here B is best represents the relationship amongst the mother, painter and dancer. B is correct answer. Question number 14. Select the odd one out. Here in the option A, the inside figure having 3 sides. In option B, inside figure having 4 sides. In option C, inside figure having 5 sides. In option D, inside figure having 7 sides. So here 3 is odd, 5 is odd, 7 is odd, only 4 is even. So B is odd one out. B is correct answer. Question number 15. Which of the following figures is not symmetrical along the dotted line? So now here in option A, this line makes it exactly similar two parts. In option B, this dotted line makes the two part exactly similar. In option C also, this line makes the part exactly similar. But in option D, this line cannot make the exactly similar parts because here shaded part is upside and here downside. So D is not symmetrical. So here D is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.